Hi everyone. So today we are going to show you how to import your e-poster into our mobile Congress application. So the first thing to do is to check your URL to be sure that it's the correct one. Every time you're going to make a new Congress, we are going to change the URL and change your access. So be sure to use the correct one and then log in. So today we're going to show you two different ways to add your e-poster to our app. And the first one is the direct way, and the second one will be to let's add the poster to the speaker or the organization that have made the poster. So for the direct way, we are going to the e-poster category under the abstract number section. And as you can see, we already made a category. Category help you to keep organized all your posters. So if we want, we can add another category. But for this tutorial, we are going to add the into the abstract number e-poster. So because we're doing the direct way, we are going to select e-poster totem as a speaker. And then we are going to add the abstract number information. And then you can save. So now, as you can see, it's not submitted yet. So what we have to do is to upload the e-poster. So we're going to choose the language. We are going to choose the file. So this app only accepts the PowerPoint AO format or the PDF AO format. So as you can see in our documentation. Then after adding the file, we can add the title. We can add the order. And if we want, we can also add an extra text. And then you can save it. So now, as you can see, it's now converting in the format. And we have to wait a few seconds to a few minutes. It depends on the poster you're charging. So let's wait. So as you can see, now it's published, and you can see the formats, and you can see all the information you need. So if there's any problem with the conversion, you will see an error, and it will explain you what to do. So as you can see here, we can see the poster, and we can also download the original format of this poster. So this was the direct way to add the poster, and I'm just going to show you another time just to be sure. We are going to click e-poster totem. We're going to put the abstract number, then save. Then because it's not submitted, we are going to put the language, the file, still in PDF or PowerPoint format A0, the title, the order, and if you want, still can add the text. And now we wait for converting. So if it's converting, you can still add some file, you can still use the app. It's not doing anything for you. You're still free to use the app, and then when it's finished to convert, you will just see the file and all the options popping up for downloading the file. And yeah, so this was the direct way to upload the e-poster on the MCA app. So the second option instead of the direct way is to give access to speakers and holder to directly upload themselves their e-poster. So what we are going to do is to create a speaker. So we go to the speaker section, we add, so with the plus logo you saw, and then we can enter a title, we can enter a first name, a last name, and eventually a text and an image. And then we can save. So after adding the speaker, we have to go to the e-poster section under user. Then you add a user and you select the speaker you just add. And then you use their email. And because we add the email of the person, this person will automatically receive an email with all the access he needs. So the password of these platforms, the link to access the platform, and the username. So in this way, the speaker can directly upload their poster. So as you can see, there's the email, there's the username, the password, and everything. So now what we have to do is to create the poster that the person is going to add. So we know that Philip David, for example, is going to add, let's say, 2 posters. So this is the abstract number of the first one. And then we created a second one, still Philip. And there's another number, so yeah. And as you can see, it's not submitted yet, and the person will receive through the email some sort of notification to remember him to put and add the e-poster as the day approach. So yeah. Now we're going to log in as Philip, so we can see what the users are going to see. And there we are. Here we can see the 2 posters we created before, and here Philip is going to add the poster, is the same platform as the first option we saw together. So we can add the file, we select the language, we can add the title, we can add some headers, and we can also put an extra text. So the file format is still the same. We accept PDF A0 format and PowerPoint A0 format. Thank you all for watching.
Ecco, queste sono alcune delle schermate di visualizzazione del front-end del totem. Quindi abbiamo la modalità appunto di vista delle tab, oppure modalità anteprima, che cliccando si accede al dettaglio, con tutti i filtri ovviamente di ricerca tramite numero abstract, autore, categoria, lingua.